Ever wondered how to create a landing page that converts visitors into customers for your affiliate offers, all without spending a dime? Today, we're diving into exactly that. We'll be using free, powerful tools to build effective landing pages that maximize your affiliate earnings. Let's get started by heading over to a fantastic free website builder. Our first stop is Canva. Head to canva.com and click on Create a Design for Landing Pages. A custom dimension or a social media post size like Instagram post landscape often works well to start. Or we can simply search for website templates and choose one that resonates. Canva offers a huge library of professional templates. Browse through these, looking for a layout that's clean and highlights the product or service you're promoting. Don't worry about the exact content yet. We're focusing on structure. Select a template that has good spacing and prominent areas for headlines and calls to action. Once you have your template, it's time to customize. Start by replacing the placeholder text. Your main headline needs to be compelling and directly address the benefit your affiliate offer provides. Think about what problems your audience faces and how your offer is the solution. Next, grab the best possible image or graphic to represent your affiliate product. You can use free stock photo sites like Unsplash or Pexels, or even create your own graphics within Canva by uploading your product images or using their vast element library. Ensure the image is high quality and relevant. Now, for the magic of affiliate marketing, the call to action. This is the button visitors click to go to the offer. Make it clear, action-oriented, and visually prominent. Phrases like "Get yours now," "Learn more," or "Claim your discount" are effective. You'll then link this button to your unique affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, head back to the platform you're promoting the product on and copy your unique affiliate URL. Back in Canva, select your call to action button, click the link icon, and paste your affiliate link. This is how you'll earn commissions. Don't forget to add a brief description of the benefits or key features. Keep it concise and benefit-driven. You can use bullet points to make it easy to skim. The goal is to persuade visitors that your offer is exactly what they need. Finally, ensure your landing page is mobile-friendly. Canva automatically optimizes for different devices, but it's always good practice to preview. Once satisfied, click on the Share button and then select More, followed by Website to publish your free landing page. And there you have it, a professional, free landing page ready to drive those affiliate sales. Start building yours today and watch your commissions grow.